When you search for the best 24-inch bike, everything looks the same. Same features, same shiny images. But to really find the right one for your needs, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Teizu Training Wheels. First up, we have the Teizu Training Wheels priced at $50.72. What stood out to me was their heavy-duty construction and adjustable size. If you're looking for a reliable way to help beginners gain confidence, this is worth a serious look. These training wheels are designed to fit bikes from 18 to 24 inches, making them a versatile option for many riders. They can support weights up to 220 pounds thanks to a reinforced stand made of high-carbon steel. The 6-inch wheels are solid and built for shock absorption, which is crucial for safety during those early rides. With over 100 units sold in just the past month, it seems like parents are finding value here. Now, some users mention that these wheels might not fit e-bikes or certain types of bikes with cleats. Here's the thing though, if you're using a standard bike for training, this isn't a deal breaker and still provides great support for those learning to ride. This is perfect for you if you have a child or an adult who's just starting to ride and needs the extra stability. Skip this one if you're looking for something for an e-bike or a specific type of bike that may not accommodate these wheels. For the price, they offer solid safety and support. Now, if the adjustable size of the Teizu wheels didn't quite fit your needs, the next product takes a different approach with a focus on performance. Product number 2, Hickline Mountain Bike Tires. Next on the list is the Hickline 2-pack mountain bike tires, available for $49.45. What caught my attention was the comprehensive package that includes not just tires, but also inner tubes and tire levers. If you're aiming to upgrade your bike's performance, this is worth checking out. The tires are sized for 24 inches and are made of high-quality rubber that promises to resist punctures and wear. This is key if you ride in rough terrains. They can handle SI ranges from 30 to 80, which means you can adjust for better grip or speed depending on your needs. The open tread design really enhances soil penetration and mud clearing, which is perfect for off-road adventures. With a solid reputation and over 50 units sold recently, they seem to be hitting the mark. However, a few users expressed concerns about installation challenges. But honestly, with the included tire levers, most riders should find it straightforward. If you're not comfortable changing tires yourself, this could be a hassle. This is perfect for you if you enjoy mountain biking and need reliable tires that can handle various terrains. Skip this if you primarily ride on paved roads or aren't ready to tackle tire maintenance. The value here is impressive for those who ride hard. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for thrill seekers looking for a BMX experience. Product number 3, Elite BMX Stealth Bike. Coming in hot is the Elite BMX Stealth Freestyle Bike, priced at $353.88. The durable steel frame and the cool copper color really caught my eye. If you want a bike that stands out for both style and durability, this one's definitely worth your time. This BMX bike is specifically designed for youth and young adults, making it perfect for those who are serious about freestyle biking. The one-speed setup means you won't have to worry about gear shifting in the midst of tricks. The frame is made of high-tensile steel, which should withstand plenty of wear and tear from jumps and stunts. It's lightweight, and the 20-inch tires give you just the right amount of grip and control. With no reviews yet, the price might seem steep, but the quality suggests it's built to last. One downside: some might find it a bit heavy compared to other BMX bikes. I'll be real with you, if you're new to BMX, the weight might be an adjustment, but for experienced riders, the sturdiness is a plus. This is perfect for you if you're a teenager or adult looking to get into BMX riding. Skip this one if you prefer a bike that's lighter for casual riding. For those wanting to invest in a solid BMX bike, this is a worthy choice. Now, if you need something more versatile for various riding styles, the next product could be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, MEGHNA Mountain Bike Tire. Next, we have the MEGHNA Mountain Bike Tire, priced at $50.72. The foldable design and anti-slip tread really stood out to me. If you're after a reliable replacement tire that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This tire measures 24x 2.125 inches and is designed for not just mountain biking but also for kids' bikes and cruisers. The anti-slip surface is fantastic for safety, especially in wet or muddy conditions. You can inflate it to a maximum of 40 psi, which is suitable for various terrains. The inclusion of tire levers is a nice touch for easy installation. With a reliable build, it's a great option for adventurous rides. However, some users mention that the tire might not fit all bikes, especially those with specific rim sizes. Here's the thing, if you have a standard bike setup, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile tire for different types of cycling. Skip this one if you need a tire specifically for racing or high-performance biking. For the price, it's a solid investment for your cycling needs. Now, if you're looking for a bike that caters specifically to kids, you'll want to stick around for the final product. Product number 5, BikePsych Retro Girls Bike. Last but not least is the BikePsych Retro Design Girls Bike, priced at $139.51. The charming retro design and included basket instantly caught my eye. If you want something stylish and safe for your young one, this bike is worth a look. Designed for kids aged 3-13, this bike offers adjustable height features, making it adaptable as they grow. The eco-friendly wicker basket is just the right size for carrying toys or snacks on their adventures. Plus, with easy assembly, you won't be pulling your hair out getting it ready for your child to ride. With no reviews yet, it's a new option, but the features are promising. However, there were mentions that assembly can take a bit longer than expected. I get it. If you're in a rush, that could be a bit frustrating. But honestly, once it's put together, it'll be worth it for that happy smile. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe and stylish bike for your child. Skip this if your kid is a bit too tall for the size range. For the price, it offers great value in terms of safety and fun. So we've covered some fantastic options. The Teizu training wheels for safety, the Hickline mountain bike tires for performance, the Elite BMX stealth bike for thrill seekers, the MEGHNA mountain bike tire for versatility, and the BikePsych Retro Girls Bike for your little ones. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all are solid choices depending on your needs. Think about what you value most and pick the one that resonates with you.